Welcome back. In the last video, we learned about dependency tracking. We learned how it works together with the automatic UI refresh to give you a dynamic experience without manually updating the UI. As we're developing, we may find ourselves needing to reuse a section of HTML code, or simply needing to break up a page into separate chunks for maintainability. Knockout provides built-in templating that allows you to do just that. It's also integrated with Knockout's data binding system. Let's continue to build off of our previous example. We'll take our current HTML fragment and surround it with a script tag with the type text HTML. Next, we'll give it an ID and call it total-template. After that, we'll add two divs. The first will just be a normal div with some content. The other will have a data bind attribute of template total template. Notice that total-template is enclosed in single quotes. This is because we are passing it in as a static string. Finally, we'll run the sample code. Aside from the extra div that we just added above, it looks exactly the same as before. While this is a trivial example, the benefit comes from being able to have self-enclosed sections of HTML that are reusable. We can also have the name of the template be dynamic, and thus allow toggling between different views of the same data. We can also use one template inside of another template to have nested templates. We can even go as far as using a template inside of itself recursively if the data itself is recursive. Now we've covered the basic concepts behind Knockout.js and the very basics of what it offers. This is the last video of section 1. In the next section, we'll cover when it is and isn't appropriate to use Knockout.js, as well as the model view model pattern, MVVM, that is used and how it can simplify your code by introducing separation of concern.